Hey guys, Racer here. We took Corvair out for a test drive and we found some issues. One's not very surprising. It likes to be a little warmer than it should be. Got some plans of action. You can see there's some tape laid out here. It's going to get another row of louvers on both sides. And Corvair, originally these louvers are to bring air in. We need to get the air out. So the louvers are going to get cut and turned around. Over here we're going to have one set that still wants to bring air in. And the reason why one is odd is I want it to bring cool air, outside air, down in front of this radiator. Now we're going to take and run foam all the way around and seal that radiator to the hood, to the body, so the air can't just circulate back around and run back through. With the new louvers arrangement in the lid here, that should help draw air out, which in turn should help draw air in over here. And also, we're going to be putting an air dam underneath. Go all the way across and then back under the radiator, maybe kick it out this way a little bit. That will help create, going down the road, a low pressure spot underneath the engine, which will help draw air out. It could also create a high pressure area over on this side of the radiator, another good thing. We took it out and run it. It was warmed up before, but we run it kind of hard. And yeah, I'm not comfortable with it holding the temperature. It doesn't want to. So if we can get more airflow, for one, if we can get airflow across the engine, even if it doesn't all come through the radiator, that will help cool the engine compartment. Was concerned some about the heat from the exhaust getting to the radiator fan. I don't know if you can see this edge here is a heat sink or heat shield. And also put one over here above that fuel pump. You can kind of see it there. Just to be on the safer side. Looking into a different fan arrangement. Whether I can find something with a dual 10-inch fan that will fit this, or a higher flow 16 inches is what I got on there. I don't know, I got room, probably could go to an 18-inch. Just got to get more air going through that radiator. And yeah, I know it's in a position it's going to be difficult, but we're going to try it. The test drive otherwise was a complete success. It run down the road. It handled good. It by God accelerated really nice. Kind of had a little tire spinach issue, but what I'm hunting now is going to be the heating issue. Also going to be trying to figure some way to get fresher air to the air filter, as opposed to having it draw over here over the exhaust manifold, hot air coming from the radiator. Going to be looking into that a little bit too, and I haven't decided what's happening there, but we'll see. So that's an update. We drove it. It drives damn nice. Just, got to get them bugs worked out. Hey, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, certainly comment. I welcome them all. But thank you guys.